Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel and I'm ready to go. These hauls take time and I try to do them as fast as I can. I got a couple hopeful girls standing here. I have bought them some stuff. Well, kind of bought her some stuff. That's my new Chubby Blythe face mold and articulated body. And I've been dressing her in those little $1.99 outfits from AliExpress. And this is for my smart doll, or my 1/3 dolls. Let's see how it looks on her in a minute. I might not like it, but it was cheap enough. I have other 1/3 size articulated BJD cheap dolls, and I have been looking at this. I love the bright colors, especially if I take them like on my bike, just cute. I have been looking at this for a long time, and when I got my smart doll, I thought, pull the trigger and buy it. So she got an outfit. Let's see what this is. Carefully, Marna. I am a bull in a china cabinet. Cabinet or china store? What do we have here? Oh, these are pop-up cards that are fun to send people. We have some friends we're trying to get ready to ride on the Katy Trail with, and these are to motivate them to get out and get miles on so that we'll be able to go those. We're planning a 32-mile ride. Darren and I have been getting ready for it. I've been trying to ride, pretty much daily. And I just rode a 25-mile ride, which used to be no big deal for Darren and I, but lately it is. It's a big deal. These are to pack my little skirts in for Puddle and BlytheCon giveaways. Now, why did they put these all in one bag? Oh, no, this isn't what I thought. I just ordered these. I mean, like a couple days ago. I'm amazed. Amazed! I never get fast shipping. I thought she'd never get here. I saw her, told others, they went and bought her and had theirs like a week or so before mine. Okay, here's what I was looking for. These are fingerless gloves to wear on the trail. Oh, you have to open them up. I have to check sizes and such because they're not all for us. Aren't these cute? When you ride a bike long distances, especially on like the Katy Trail, where it's not smooth like a road, you wear, this pair's for us. Let me open it and show you. You wear riding gloves and they're padded at where you're here and here and right here. And the reason that is because the handlebars shake and that'll mess up your wrist in 3 miles. And so the gloves are padded to take up that energy to be easier on your hand, and they're padded in those areas. I bought these for Darren and I and for gifts. How fun are those? They were cheap too. I think I got these, I did, on the $1.99, I always forget because it's past that time, Black Friday sale. You know, I'm on to Easter and St. Patrick's Day and blah, 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 and Christmas is not ringing a bell. Let me try this on my smart doll. If you buy bicycle gloves, get them bigger than your hand because your hand will swell in the summertime from the heat and the exertion. And like I said, this will absorb the jarring from your bike handle. I have a suspended bike, but even so, I still ride the suspended. Darren, tell them what that is.
Shock absorbers in the front.
Shock absorbers, yeah. But I still always wear gloves. It makes a difference. And like I said, the bigger gloves are the best. Okay, my smart doll looks pretty stinking cute in her new outfit. Does my smart doll have shoes? Yes, I have shoes that will fit her. I just have not dug. I haven't had the time to dig in my 1/3 doll clothing yet for her. I'm trying to get patterns established for her, and I think I have a cute skirt worked out so that I can give some handouts at Puddle and, well, any of the doll shows. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.